We looked at all the big players. I mean, we looked at, again, the best in the space, but Inriver really stood out to us. So ultimately, like, I was smitten with the UI as soon as I saw it, and honestly, I didn't really want to talk to anyone else after that. And so on the business side of the fence, I could see very quickly that, our 10-step process, we're gonna be able to cut that down by at least 2/3. And so our speed to market is really going to increase. Then the flexible data model was probably the number 2 thing for us. And that was really about being able to make the changes in the data model without requiring our IT department. So that was really important for us. We try to keep our team very small. Our operations are small. We have the 2 channels. We have web and we have print. And we need to be able to execute on that quickly, and we need to be able to grow and evolve without major infrastructure, putting in tickets and whatnot. So that's really kind of, again, that's why Inriver stood out. And really the third thing about Inriver is that from start to finish, compared to the rest of them, it was never a really heavy sales process. They wanted to understand our problems. They wanted to help us solve them. And it really felt like a partnership from the beginning. And as we go through the implementation, that really carried through.